Hey, what's going on? Garrett here from my10ksystem.com. And if you're wondering what are the best affiliate programs to join in 2021, this video is for you. Now, by the end of this video, you'll discover the best affiliate programs to find great products to promote. Now, I've been online full-time with affiliate marketing the last 5 years. There's tons of different affiliate programs, and there's a lot of frustration, a lot of time that can come in with joining, investing into different things, not knowing where to go. So I'm going to shortcut your path in this video. I'm going to share my top 4 favorite affiliate programs in 2021, all of which either pay you reoccurring affiliate commissions, high ticket commissions, and or instant paying commissions. Okay, now some of them even pay you 100% commission. So if you're looking for something to get paid fast, get paid a large amount, and get paid where you can keep all the money, this video is for you. And I'm also going to share a clear idea of why joining these specific affiliate programs is the best thing you can do to produce the income you want. So if you're excited to learn this, be sure to thumbs up the video right now and also comment below, because I really want to help you in my future videos. What's your #1 struggle right now with affiliate marketing? Is it finding good products? Is it getting traffic to your links? Is it converting leads? Or is it something else? And if it's something else, please be as specific as possible so I can create a video for you in the future answering that. But without further ado, let's dive into the very first affiliate program that I love. Okay, now if you've seen any of my videos, you know that Easy 1UP is one of the affiliate programs that I personally use and love. Now, what is Easy 1UP? Why do I recommend this? Easy 1UP is basically a affiliate program that you can sell video training teaching people how to build a successful online business. So if you're someone that's currently watching a lot of videos on affiliate marketing or how to make money online, one of the best ways to start to promote products is to just promote products on things that you're actually learning, right? Especially if you're doing content marketing, you can go out there and create a video or a blog post sharing what you just learned. So Easy 1UP, the products that you would actually be selling with Easy 1UP are videos, again, teaching different strategies on how to get traffic, how to get leads, and how to get sales online. Now, what I love about Easy 1UP is Easy 1UP has many different levels that you can earn commissions on. And the amazing thing about Easy 1UP is it literally pays you 100% instant paid commissions to whatever payment method you want. So if you want to collect your money with PayPal, you can do that. If you want to collect it with Cash App, you can do that, etc. Now, Easy 1UP also pays you up to $2,000. Okay, so there's a commission level where you can earn up to $2,000. And believe me, if you start having a few $2,000 sales come in, that can completely change your entire life, right? So I want to share with you real quick, to date, okay, I've actually been able to generate $168,975 with Easy 1UP. Now, I do want to offer a disclaimer. Obviously I'm using certain methods, and I share a lot of these methods on my YouTube channel on what I do daily in about 30 to 60 minutes to generate this income. But I don't want you to think that, you're just going to guarantee, make this money. Okay. So you do need to put some effort to promote these products. But when you can get paid 100% instant commissions, you can really scale incredibly fast. So Easy 1UP is definitely one of my top affiliate programs right now in 2021, just for the pay structure alone. I mean, I've never seen anything else like it. #2 is TextBot, okay, TextBot.ai. Now, this is very, very popular right now. There's a lot of people that have been joining this, that have been promoting this. What is the actual product that you'd be promoting? TextBot basically can automatically answer incoming phone calls. It can generate hot, qualified leads for your business. It can automatically answer questions via text message. Okay, so to break that down a little bit, basically when you join TextBot as an affiliate marketer, you get access to a phone number. Okay, now you can use that phone number in your marketing. You can actually get people to text that specific phone number. And again, you can put in certain messages and the TextBot, okay, that actual software will respond to that lead, and you can get them to convert that person. You can send them to another website. It really allows you automation to convert leads. TextBot, just like Easy1Up, TextBot pays you 100% commissions. Now, the main amount of money that you're going to be able to make with TextBot is $100. Okay, so it's basically, they do have a higher level, but most of your money is going to come from the $100 level. So the $100 is really going to add up. Okay, so it's $100 per commission. You can get paid instantly, and you can actually go up to your profile here when you join TextBot, and you can actually set up how you want to get paid. Okay, so you can go here to payment methods, and I have personally my PayPal, I have my Cash App, I have Zelle, okay, which pays me to my bank account, and I just save that. Okay, and so when someone goes through TextBot and they want to purchase the software, they can actually pay me the $100 instantly to one of these platforms. And you can see that to date, I was able to generate $2,900 in instant paying commissions. Okay, really, really powerful. Now, my next favorite affiliate program in 2021 is called Traffic Authority. Okay, Traffic Authority has been around for many years. Basically, it's a platform that allows you to sell traffic to business owners. Okay, so you're watching this video, you're an affiliate marketer, you can sell traffic to other affiliate marketers. Every marketer online needs traffic. We need people to actually go to our affiliate links to start to get leads and sales. So Traffic Authority allows you to generate incredible percentage of commissions off packages of clicks. Okay, so if you go into Traffic Authority, okay, you can go to the traffic store, and basically they have different packages of clicks. Okay, so the basic package is 170 to 190 clicks. The person that we would be selling to it would cost them $220, okay, for that amount of clicks to whatever website link they want. Bronze is 440. Okay, now some people will purchase the diamond package to get over 8,000 clicks. That's $8,397. Now, whenever someone purchases, okay, you can earn, a really good commission on that recommendation. So I want to share with you some of the results that I've been able to generate just promoting and recommending Traffic Authority. Now, Traffic Authority is incredibly high quality traffic, so you can feel good about recommending that to people. It's primarily traffic in the home business and make money online niche. So if you're in that niche, you can easily join this affiliate program, start to recommend traffic. Okay, hey, I've been using this site, or I know this great site to get traffic. Why don't you purchase a package? And again, when you recommend people to purchase a package through your link, you will earn a commission. Now you can see right here to date, okay, I've actually been able to make $6,940 just recommending traffic on Traffic Authority. So I may in a YouTube video show results that I get, and then I say, hey, I use Traffic Authority's traffic. If you want access, go to the link below. And then I've recommended this and I've been able to earn. And the last affiliate program that I highly recommend you consider joining in 2021 is a platform called Multiple Income Funnel. Okay, now again, I've created other videos on my channel going in more detail, but Multiple Income Funnel is basically a system. And the really cool thing about Multiple Income Funnel is, number one, when you recommend someone to this system, you will actually earn reoccurring commissions, monthly commissions that will come in whether you decide to work or not. So where the other affiliate programs are mostly instant paying, or you get paid one time, Multiple Income Funnel pays you monthly. Okay, so when you promote this system, what you're actually selling to people is resources such as done for them funnels, right, where they can access capture pages that are already created, email follow-ups, okay, that start going out to their leads. You can also sell the ability to create a full online business because this has different income streams built in. And when you promote this, okay, and you can actually join Multiple Income Funnel and access done for you capture pages that you can just promote. So if you're watching this video, you don't have a website, this affiliate system and program is great because it gives you a high converting capture page that you can just start promoting online. And people will put their name and email, and they'll actually get followed up with on autopilot on your behalf with emails. Okay. Now, the cool thing is when you actually make a commission with multiple income funnel on that front end of the funnel, it's $49 for that person to join. You will earn $20 every single month as long as they stay active. Okay. So again, if maybe you want to take a break or you have a slow month, you still have money coming in. And you can see right here, okay, that's a date. I've actually been paid $6,408 with multiple income funnel. And I have, $828 ready to pay this Friday, $1,944 pending. Okay, so this definitely works. And again, some of this ready to pay and pending is from a couple months ago, people still paying the monthly amount to use this powerful system and program. And, I'm still earning off that reoccurring commission. So it's really powerful. The last thing I want to share specifically with multiple income funnel is really cool, because this is a system that actually allows you to sell on autopilot the previous 3 affiliate programs. Easy One-Up, TextBot, and Traffic Authority is actually built in to multiple income funnel. So when someone actually joins, for example, yourself, and there's going to be a link directly below this video where you can actually join multiple income funnel. When you join this program and you follow the steps to set up your system, step number 2 is to actually set up and hook up your accounts into this system. So your account with Easy One-Up, and I've already done that, but you would actually hook up your personal details. Okay, so as someone goes through and they purchase Easy One-Up, you're going to be able to earn that instant paying high ticket commission just by promoting this link, which is really cool. Stream number 3, TextBot hooks up there, and then Traffic Authority. So if you've watched this far in this video and one of the other affiliate programs have looked good to you, rather than joining that on its own and then trying to create your own website and things like that, you can just join at the link under this video, leverage the multiple income funnel to promote one link and get paid on 4 different income streams. Okay, so really powerful. So I hope you got value in learning my top recommendations when it comes to affiliate programs to join in 2021. If you did, be sure to like this video to let me know that you want me to make more videos like this. Also subscribe so you never miss out on my latest weekly videos teaching you affiliate marketing strategies. And last but not least, if you want access to multiple income funnel and these different affiliate programs, be sure to click the link under this video and get started today. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.